So yeah, I've lost today. We had one losing trade, the Judas swing, and we had this Mac model that was break even because I was targeting 1-to-1. But the Mac model played out, but didn't got my take profit. So yeah, let's mark out market open. It was here, and yeah, coming to the session, I saw that we have, let's just log magnet idle drawings. I just saw we have this for our fair value gap here with relative equal lows, and also you have this for our fair value gap. Here we had this intermediate high of this 1 hour that was swept pre-market, and on 15-minute we are reacting bullish to this 15-minute fair value gap, and also with this for our fair value gap we made an SMT right there, or we not? Yeah, we did on TES. We made the SMT here. It's filled the 4 hour. So if you want to look at this on the higher time frame, we see that we made an SMT here and reacting out of bullish fair value gaps. It's showing us that the price wants to sweep this data high or and the 4 hour fair value gap above. But coming into the market open, I just love how mechanically it looked on the lower time frame. We swept this 1 hour intermediate high, but it was after sweeping the previously 1 hour intermediate high. So I was, last times I seen that if you resweep the 1 hour intermediate high, it's like a protected high. It doesn't, it doesn't go with liquidity. So it may be a worse thing to play. But maybe don't look at this so much. We had this 15-minute intermediate low, that was the target. I just loved the replacement out of this key level that we had here. And yeah, I just could take a bit on the money here. And I lost in 2 minutes. Then I flipped my bias. I was bullish to this data high, and on ES we got do this for our fair value gap right there, and from here I was looking to short. We had this 1 minute and we invested. We had this SMT of this 4 hour fair value gap. We swept this data high, so I was bearish from this moment. And when you have this and this inversion with this another low and this low, I can assume that it can happen. We have nice structure, so I just placed the trade. Unfortunately got break even right here. The price wanted to sweep again this high and then went lower. And yeah, I blown another account, unfortunately, with this trades. And yeah, later in the day we got another news from the Iranian government, this time that it wants to agree with the peace talks. And yeah, that was just a trade. I can't be mad about it. Here it was mechanically good on the lower time frame. On the higher time frame, not so much. because if you think about this, everything is leaning on the bullish side. Even if we have, you know, these relative equal lows with this 4-hour value gap, we can't, you know, be for sure that it wants to go there. We need to look for the, you know, what really happened. We made an SMT here. We are expecting bullish confluences, and you know, maybe just, you know, we need that to wait for more confirmation. The price wants to go lower because it just didn't want to. And yeah, that's for today. Let's lock in for the April and just let's go. Bye.